Hello students, in this part we will discuss about the female reproductive system in frog. In frog, female reproductive system consists a pair of ovaries, and these ovaries are present just above the kidney, but they have no internally or functionally attached with each other. The ovaries are present just above the each kidney, but the ovaries are not internally or functionally attached with द किडनी। यानी किडनी के साथ ओवरी होती है, न तो इंटरनली अटैच्ड हैं और न उसके साथ मिलकर फंक्शन करते हैं, बोथ फंक्शंस सेपरेटली। किडनी के साथ अटैचमेंट इसका होता है बाहर से, मतलब आउटर से एक ओवरी जो होती है किडनी से ऊपर, उसके ऊपर अटैचमेंट होती है। वो अटैचमेंट किसके साथ? मेसोवेरियम के साथ। As we have already studied, the testes are attached internally with the kidney with the mesorchium, but ovaries are attached kidney externally, not internally, which is known as mesovarium. Ovary or ovaries are externally attached with the kidney with the mesovarium. First one. Secondly, a pair of kidney which are irregular in shape. Pair of ovary. These are the ovary. A pair of ovary which are irregular in shape, and they have many black dot-like structures in each ovary. These black dot-like structures are nothing but they are ova. These are the ova, or you can say that ovum. Each kidney arise a tube through the urine is excreted and opens into the rectum. In female reproductive system, we can say that these are the ureter, because ureter means the tube which takes the urine from kidney to rectum. It functions singly, not doubled, so we can say that ureter. But in male, this is known as urinogenital, और यू कैन से दैट, क्योंकि जर्म सेल उसी में आती हैं, यूरिन भी, इसलिए इसको मेल के अंदर यूरिनोजेनिटल जबकि फीमेल के अंदर यूरेटर कहते हैं। A funnel shaped structure arises just near to the ovary, and this funnel shaped structure which also open into the cloaca, just near to the cloaca, they becomes wider and opens into the rectum. This is known as oviduct. Means the tube through the ovums, when they are released through the ovary, pass into the funnel-like structures. Just above the oviduct, जैसे ही ओवेरी से एग रिलीज किए जाते हैं तो ऊपर जो ओविडक्ट के अपर पोर्शन होता है, फनल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है। इस फनल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर में ओवम क्रिएट आ जाते हैं, मतलब आ जाते हैं, और वहां से ओविडक्ट होते हुए कहां आ जाते हैं? वो रेक्टम के अंदर। जैसे ही ओविडक्ट रेक्टम के पास पहुंचती है, ये वाइडर हो जाती है, विच इज नोन एज ओविसेक, and open into the rectum. Just same from here, funnel like structures and thinner, near to the rectums they becomes wider, and this wider portion opens into the rectums, which is known as ovisac, and this is oviduct. ovary release one time 2500 to 3000 eggs once, यानी एक टाइम में फीमेल फ्रॉग के ओवरी से 2500 से 3000 एग रिलीज किए जाते हैं, जो कि फनल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर से क्रिएट होकर ओविडक्ट से कहां आ जाते हैं, रेक्टम के अंदर। और जब क्लोएका के द्वारा वही बात है कि यूरिन तो कहां, यूरिन ब्लैडर में स्टोर हो जाएगा, और उसके बाद जो ओवा हैं या ओवम हैं, दे पास आउट थ्रू द बॉडी बाय द क्लोएका। ड्यूरिंग द कॉपुलेशन द फीमेल, मतलब कॉपुलेशन प्रोसेस के दौरान क्या होगा, यहां से 2500 से नियरली 3000 एग जैसे रिलीज किए जाते हैं, मेल फ्रॉग क्लाइंब जस्ट अबव द फीमेल बॉडी विद द हेल्प ऑफ द टाइटली hold the female partner with the help of copulatory pad, and when the female excrete the eggs at the same time the male frog secretes sperm, so the fertilization can take place outside the body. External fertilization, we can say that external fertilization can take place in frog. This is the female reproductive system. As we know that in female, both the excretory product of the kidney and the excretory product of the ovary are separated, but in male this is the common duct which through the secrete the urine as well as the male germ cell, means sperm. In male this common duct is known as urinogenital, whereas in female this is known as ureter, which arises through the kidney, and oviduct, which the tube which arises through the ovary. Clear?